Today, I'll give you the perfect response when a woman hugs you. Many men don't realize that a hug can be much more than just a simple gesture of greeting or affection. In fact, it can be a powerful signal in attraction. In the next few minutes, I'll break down the four types of hugs and explain exactly how you should react to never miss an opportunity again. A hug can be much more than just a simple gesture of greeting or affection. In the realm of attraction, it can serve as a powerful signal, a way for a woman to measure your response, express interest, or even create a moment of connection. The problem is that most men fail to read these subtle cues. As a result, they let valuable opportunities slip away, giving off the wrong signals, such as disinterest, lack of confidence, or a complete misunderstanding of attraction dynamics. A hug isn't just about physical closeness. It's a silent communicator revealing unspoken feelings and desires. The duration, pressure, and even body positioning can tell you more than words ever could. That's why it's crucial to understand these gestures and respond appropriately. Now let's dive into the four types of hugs and what they really mean. 1. The friendly pat. This is the most casual type of hug. It lasts only a second or two with a slight inclination of the body, minimal torso contact, and usually includes a few pats on the back. It's a warm but platonic gesture, often exchanged between friends or acquaintances. If a woman hugs you this way, it likely means she sees you as a friend rather than a romantic interest. But don't be discouraged. This is your chance to build more attraction. Focus on creating moments of closeness and chemistry to transition from the friend zone to something more. 2. The firm hug. This hug lasts a bit longer, and there's a noticeable firmness in the way she wraps her arms around you. It's more than just a quick greeting. It signals comfort and familiarity. However, it doesn't necessarily mean attraction just yet. To respond the right way, don't pull back too quickly. Hold the hug just a second longer than she expects and observe her reaction. If she smiles, maintains eye contact, or remains relaxed in your arms, it's a sign that she's comfortable around you. This is your cue to continue building that connection rather than rushing into anything too soon. 3. The lingering embrace. A hug that lasts longer than usual, where she doesn't rush to let go, could indicate deeper attraction. If her body relaxes against yours and she presses her chest closer, that's a strong sign of emotional and physical connection. Pay attention to her breathing. If it slows down and her hands linger on your back, she's comfortable with your closeness. When you experience this type of hug, don't be the first to pull away. Instead, mirror her energy. If she stays close, reciprocate with a light touch on her lower back or a gentle squeeze, allowing the moment to linger just a little longer. This small yet significant move can deepen the connection and signal your confidence. 4. The intimate embrace. This is the most telling hug of all. She leans in completely, resting her head on your shoulder or neck. Her breathing becomes more noticeable, and she may even lightly caress your back. This is a clear sign that she feels safe, connected, and likely attracted to you. When faced with this kind of hug, don't rush to break the moment. Instead, embrace her naturally, allowing her to feel your warmth and presence. If she doesn't pull away, she may be inviting deeper intimacy. Watch for subtle cues. If she tilts her head towards you, tightens her embrace, or lingers in your arms, she's signaling that she wants more than just a friendly hug. If you notice these signs of attraction, don't let the moment pass you by. Confidence is key. Stay composed, be present, and respond without hesitation. The simplest way to deepen the connection is through subtle but natural gestures, a light touch on the lower back, a gentle squeeze, or maintaining eye contact as she pulls away. Avoid seeming nervous or overeager, and instead let your body language convey quiet confidence. The next time a woman hugs you, pay close attention. That simple gesture might be saying much more than words ever could. It could be her way of testing the waters, signaling her interest, or inviting you to get closer. If you can read between the lines and respond with self-assurance, you'll never miss an opportunity again. What's the most telling sign of attraction in a hug, in your opinion? Drop a comment below.